while I was preparing the Kraken tutorial for you on how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on this popular exchange that I know that works well in most of the United States, I realized that they offer 12% per year rewards for Polkadot staking. I recently invested in DOT just for speculation purposes. Now that the coin is top 5 by market cap, Polkadot is number 5, and because there's a lot of hype around this coin lately, I decided to invest a bit in it, and I had funds that were sitting in my Binance account, and then I realized why not earn some interest while I hold these coins. However, when you decide to stake Polkadot, there is a lockup period. There might be a cooldown while your coins get to receive rewards for staking, and I wasn't really interested in that because, as I said, I bought this coin only for speculation reasons, and I don't know if I'm going to sell it tomorrow, next week, or after 3 months. And because of that, Kraken really caught my interest because they offer staking right away. You just deposit the funds, stake them, and there's no lockup period. You can withdraw anytime. And also there's compound interest because the payouts are twice per week. As I can show you here, there is a minimum 0.DOT that you can stake, and you receive payouts on Tuesdays and Fridays. Normally, I wouldn't encourage people to stake on an exchange. There's third-party risk if something happened to this exchange. Even though Kraken is a big exchange and there's a small chance it will go bankrupt or hacked. Exchanges were hacked in the past, so there's no need to add more risk to our investing when we can just withdraw the coins and put them in a hardware wallet where they are safe. Just like I did with Tezos, because Tezos is a longer term investment for me. Even though I chose a lower reward for staking, I prefer to do it on my Ledger wallet, and actually I have a tutorial on that. If you want to see it, click the link here in the top right corner. But like I said, my Polkadot investment is speculative. I might sell it in a week, I might sell it in a month, or maybe next year. Maybe it will turn up to be a longer term investment for me. So because of that, I'll just choose to stake it here and actually experiment to see how it is to stake on a crypto exchange. While the staking on Kraken is pretty straightforward, there are a few things that I want to point out, things that I encountered, and I want to make sure that you don't have to deal with them. First thing, I had these coins on Binance, and whenever you choose to withdraw the DOT from Binance, it will show you this warning that says, to ensure the safety of your funds, please check that your receiving wallet is able to accept batch transactions. And I can confirm that. So initially I sent the smallest transaction possible to make sure that the funds arrive in my Kraken account just fine. So you don't have to do that. You can see here that I received Polkadot in my Kraken account without issues. Another thing is that on Kraken exchange, for the first time I'm seeing this, they have some deposit fees. As you can see, on every DOT deposit they charge 0.03 DOT. It's not a lot of money, but you should know that it exists, and you don't have to be charged twice like I did here with a test transaction. On this page you can see other coins that have this deposit fees. A lot of them are free, but some of them also have this deposit fee associated with them. So to get started with staking, you first have to deposit some Polkadot, and to do that you'll go to this page where you'll have to generate a new address, and this will generate a new address for you to deposit funds on your Kraken account. Copy it, then use it on whatever exchange you have your DOT coins. Of course, you can also buy DOT from the Kraken exchange if this is the exchange you prefer to use. After that, you go here to staking and you'll see DOT available here, and you'll have to click stake. You select the amount you want to stake. I'll select the maximum amount. You'll see that the reward payout interval is twice per week, like I showed you earlier, every Tuesday and Friday. You can see here that the interest is compounding, which means that the rewards you get from staking will be added to staking every time they get paid out. Finally, you'll click on stake, and that's it. You can see here my staked assets, Polkadot with 12% per year. I haven't received any rewards yet. On Tuesday I'll see the rewards here. My status is now pending, but if I want to add more DOT, all I have to do is click on here on these 3 dots, click on add assets, and I'll be able to add more. I don't have any more right now. And then if I click on settings, I can see how much I'm staking and how much I've earned, and also add more DOT or to unstake. But as you can see, meanwhile, my Polkadot staking got through. It says success here. I can see my balance and I'm waiting for the rewards. But as I said, you can unstake even if you click here. It will ask you how much you want to unstake. You don't have to do it for the whole amount. And that's about it. This is how you stake Polkadot and coins on Kraken for that matter. If you want to see the updates on me receiving interest on these coins on Tuesday and Friday, be sure to subscribe. And if you don't have a crypto card yet, be sure to check this video about the Crypto.com debit card that I'm using right now, and I made this review for you to see if it's a good choice for you and if you should order one. I'll see you there.